Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue lesson 1 of the book Footprints Without Feet. We have read that Mrs. Pumphrey loved her pet dog Tricky too much. Almost she had spoiled her. Tricky had become greedy. She never denied the food, and in this way he became the prey of obesity. He fell sick. He was so sick that he was unable to move. Mr. Harriet, who was a veterinary doctor, who took, who took him to his surgery for his treatment. When he took Tricky at the surgery, the household dogs came around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes. He was motionless. He did not move. In the beginning, the doctor kept him in a box and did not give him anything to eat. He gave him only water for 2 days. Tricky lived only on water, but on the 3rd day he joined with the other dogs. He became friendly with them. The doctor found that he was now moving here and there with the other dogs. There was a rapid progress in him. He started playing with the other dogs, but Mrs. Pumphrey was too much worried about Tricky. She at least telephoned the doctor at 12 times or a dozen times for knowing about Tricky. The doctor told him that Tricky was getting well. He was now enjoying. Tricky had become now well, and he had made friendship with the other dogs. He fought for food among them, but he was given only light food. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that Tricky had been operated. She was too much worried regarding his health, and she started sending rich diets like eggs, wines, cakes, etc. for Tricky. The doctor did not give him anything. The doctor and his friends enjoyed the eggs and wine sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. All the luxurious things which were sent by Mrs. Pumphrey, they were kept aside. Tricky was used to play with the other dogs, and he was getting well. Controlled diet and exercise had made him fit. The doctor felt that it was not an honest work to cheat his mistress, and so he decided to tell Mrs. Pumphrey after a fortnight that Tricky was getting well and he could be taken home. We will finish the next paragraphs in the next class. There are a few paragraphs left. We will complete it in the next class. Go through the whole story and we will discuss its question answer on Monday. But you have to go through it. Read it attentively. Have a nice day.